Hey everybody, today I'm going to review the OEM bed extender for the Ford F-150. I'm not really going to cover the installation, but I'm going to point out a few things that I noticed during my installation that maybe that'll benefit you when you do yours. Occasionally you might need to haul something that's longer than your bed. As you can see here, I have this ladder that's slightly longer than my bed. It's kind of a primitive example, but there's lots of other things that you could need to haul. Maybe a motorcycle or something like that sticks out past the bed, an ATV possibly. Fortunately, Ford makes the OEM bed extender stowable, so when you're not using it, it can still be in the truck in case you need it, but it doesn't take up a ton of room. The installation instructions are pretty straightforward, but I do want to point out a couple of things. When you do the installation, you'll have to provide for the holes here for the pin to be able to push into, and there's some grommets that they provide. If you have a bed liner that's a drop-in bed liner like mine, you have to cut this access here so you can install that grommet. If you have a spray-in bed liner, you're going to need to cut out any spray-in material that got into the hole so these will fit. The purpose of these pins is to lock the bed extender into whatever position you have it in. At this point right now, it's stowed away and locked this way like that, so it can't be lifted up. If I want to pivot it out, just release the pin and pivot it out. Now we can go ahead and do the same thing for the other side. Release the tab and extend the bed extender out. Same thing with the driver's side. And you have your latches. There's also another latch here that what this does, it goes down into the tailgate. Takes a little bit of maneuvering the bed extender in place, but this keeps it nice and solid. Here you can get a good idea of all the extra space that you have. You can also flip this forward as it's together, like so. Lock the pins. This is nice too because it gives you a smaller area of the bed that you can put things in. If you have stuff you want to put in the bed and you don't really want it to roll around, you can orient the bed extender like this and it'll give you a nice small area. Or if you want to separate cargo from the front of the bed to the back of the bed for some reason, it allows you to do that too. And this brings up a point I wanted to make about a problem that I had during the installation. After I went and mounted everything and hooked it all up, when I had the bed extender in this position, I wasn't able to lock the pins. It just was too high in the front and the holes wouldn't line up. So I ended up finding out that it was sitting too high in the front of the bed. I'm still not really sure why, but what I ended up having to do was sand these rubber bumpers down. So if you run into that problem, you might have to do the same thing. Again, I'm not really sure why I had this problem because this is a factory bed liner and a factory bed extender, but I did, and I don't really see any other reason that it would have happened because the holes in the bedside where you mount the grommets are fixed positions. There's no reason that anything would have been off. But it was a pretty easy fix. It took me a few minutes to grind those down and everything's been fine since. And then stowing it's just the opposite of earlier, where we unlatch the latches, move each piece in, and latch them closed, and flip them into place. And that's pretty much it. It's a useful accessory. I've gotten quite a bit of use out of it myself. It's nice to have a little bit of extra bed length when you need it. It's nice to have it still out of the way instead of the older models that were fixed tubing that were, once they were in your bed, they took up a lot of space. At least these still out of the way. Like I said, you do lose a little bit of space there behind the wheel wells, but other than that, you still retain most of your storage in your bed. All right, thanks for watching.